nice sunny day today, but still pretty cold. And month of January, I wanted to talk about what I'm up to this month. So this month everybody's focused on New Year's resolution or starting something new and good for you, your health. So this month I wanted to focus on mental health and make jewelry that helps with affirmations. So I have a few bracelets made here. These are, you know how the word bracelets are very popular these days. I use that concept to make them into bracelets with affirmation words. So here's an example. Strong. So you can say, I am strong. I am enough. I am good vibes. I am calm. So, when you wear these bracelets, it helps you, it reminds you to do your affirmations. So I thought that was a little cool way of using jewelry as to help you with your mental health. I also did some Valentine colors. Next month is Valentine's. And pink is obviously Valentine color. So I am happy, I am blessed, I am confident, I am grateful. So just something new to try, something new to make that also helps with mental health. Let me know what you guys think of these bracelets. All right, that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.